Hello everyone, Tina here. Well, it's the first, and I am super excited. I get to share with you the brand new card kit of the month from Spellbinders. This is the card kit for May 2020, and it is called All the Little Things. So much of this kit, and I always get so excited when these boxes come in the mail. So we're going to take a look at everything that's in the kit, and then following this video, there'll be 10 cards created with it. This is your cover sheet. It has the contents of everything in the kit and inspiration, which is fabulous. Usually on the back side it has inspirational project using the dies, so that's handy. Next up, we get our cardstock. You get a 8.5 by 11 sheet of gold double-sided cardstock, and then you get 8 colored sheets. You get a real pretty yellow, a white, 2 different shades of green, 2 different shades of blue, and then 2 different shades of pink. And again, these are 8.5 by 11 sheets of cardstock. But I love the color, bright, cheery color palette. It's right up my alley. You always get 10 envelopes that are perfect for your A2 size card bases here. And they're pre-scored and folded, ready to go. This is what I use when I create my 10 cards. Now we're going to take a look at the paper pad. This is a paper pad that has gold foiling in it, and there's 40 sheets. You get 2 of each pattern. So I just love, this has a peace sign on there in gold foiling, which is super cute. But there's 2 tones, there's florals that coordinate with paper beautifully. And when I see paper pads like this, it just makes me happy. Love the cheerful colors, especially if it's been raining all day. You get some tie-dye elements, some florals. You get some kitty cats, so cute. This one has gold foiled lettering and words. You get some coffee mugs, which can't go wrong with coffee cups. You get more stripes, and then the patterns just repeat itself. That's really neat too. Just repeat themselves. But that's your All the Little Things paper pack. Next up, you got your stamp set. This is so pretty. You get a mason jar that your little butterflies, and 4 butterflies, so it'll fit in the mason jar. And then you get 2 playful little kitties, and then you get sentiments that say, hello, lovely day. You have, oh, I love this one. It says, all the little things you do mean so much. Just love that. And then there's also, oh, happy day. That's your stamp set this month. Then you get some little puppy stickers. They are cute, and there's a little bit of everything, and they coordinate perfectly with your die cut pieces. They're just miniature sized, but love the soft colors in here and the bright colors. Get a little envelope. It's cute. Perfect for embellishing your cards. So you get a whole pack of those. And then you get 3D stickers. I love these 3D stickers because there's acetate accents on here that adds dimension. And I was looking at the kitty in the stamp set, and there's one that looks just like the kitty in the sticker sheet, and it was playing with the butterflies. I thought that was so cute. I didn't put that 2 and 2 together until just now when I seen this little kitty. But you can see the acetate butterfly he's playing with, or she's playing with. I thought that was so cute. So we're just gonna put this one back, and everything in that, I dropped the butterfly. I gotta go get it. But everything in this little 3D sticker set is so pretty. You'll be using a lot of those. Next, you get a sticker sheet filled with butterflies in different sizes, and these are layered, so you could fluff up those wings. And then the top layer does have gold glittered accent, and I don't find it shedding, so that's really nice. But the gold in there is just stunning. It's very sparkly. Get different colors that coordinate beautifully with this also. So that's your 3D butterfly pack. Now we're going to break out a card base, open it up, and then we're going to go through all of our die cut pieces. And there's tons. There's tons. You can hear my little kitty's bells in the background. Sorry about that. But I zoomed through this because there is so much. But there is a little bit of everything in here. As always, backpacks, scooters, typewriters, strollers, flourishes, hearts, clouds, ice creams, gold sentiments, little sentiments, roller skates, rainbows, kitty cats, slides, kites. I just love playing with the die cut pieces. I'm a collage girl, and so I like clustering different elements together on the front of my card, and so that's why I really like the die cut pieces. And this month there's 2 of each, which they've been doing a lot lately, and I like that because sometimes the florals are really pretty. You want to put 2 together, and so I like that there's 2. Lots of options. So I'm just going to put these back in the package, and we're going to make a little bit more room for the rest of the goodies. We have foam adhesive and also a roll of double-sided tape, always included, which is really nice. We'll zoom back out. And then you also get some sequins. These sequins there's 2 different tones in here, which are really pretty. Then you also get your dies this month. This month you get 11 dies. And we're just going to open it up. There is a beautiful lattice background piece that if you add the inside piece, it will create a real pretty frame. And I see some butterfly dies in there, and I was just curious. There's your frame. If you don't add that middle piece, it'll just create a little panel that's solid that you could put a sentiment on if you wanted to, but you can layer them together if you wanted to. This is your lovely sentiment die, and then here's your butterflies. And you know what, guys? These coordinate with your stamp set. I think the Bumblebee last month did that, and I loved it because you can die cut them out. You don't have to worry about fussy cutting, but and then you can fluff up the wings, and I just love they're doing that now. But I die cut everything out. This is what your background panel looks like. Now, if you were to add this piece, it would create a real pretty frame. But I die cut it out separate, which means you could layer this piece on top. And there is a pierced detail along the edge of that middle piece, which is super pretty. I thought we'd just create a little fun background with our butterflies. So I'm going to add a little color to this little piece. I'm just using my blending tool that has my yellow ink left over on it. Add a little bit of shading, a little color to it. Then I'm going to add a foam tape behind here. We're just going to layer it right on top of our little lattice frame here. I just think that's so pretty. Okay, next we have our lovely. I die cut that out, and the font is beautiful. You'll see here. And I just seem to have slippery fingers because I can't keep a grip on it. But there's our lovely. And then these are our butterflies. I die cut out all the butterflies, and then the littlest one, the silhouette, I die cut that out 3 times. And so I just used my blue Copic markers, a B41 and a B45, to shade them in, which were super easy because there's detail already on them. You don't have to do much coloring to them. We'll just add our butterflies here. We're going to scoot this one down, and then we'll adhere our little lovely in the center. Add the little black silhouette butterflies, and I just think they look so pretty. You get 2 florals, and you get this little leaf too. That's perfect size for the florals. We're not going to use the little leaf, but you get 2 of the bigger leaf flourishes. We'll use those. We'll just add a little glue on the end and tuck those to the right here. And then the flowers, you get a large and a small, and then there's a large and a small center for each one of those flowers. You don't have to layer them together, but I like the dimension that it adds, so that's what I'm doing here. I just cut out 3 sets and layered the small one on top of the bigger one. And instead of using the flower centers, which you could just color in with your Copic marker, I thought we'd add a little sparkle. So I'm going to bring in some gems that I had in my stash and just fill in those flower centers. And then we created a little scene with the dies in this month's kit. Again, there's 11 dies, and I love that the butterflies, you could die cut out with the butterflies in your stamp set. Super neat that they coordinate. So I'll be creating my first card with this piece here, so keep a lookout. Usually I post it at the very end of the video on the very top, so if you just click on the video, it'll take you right to it. But this is the card kit of the month for May 2020 from Spellbinders, called All the Little Things, always loaded and packed. I'm super excited to share my 10 cards with you, so keep a lookout. I'll leave links down below in the description area if you guys want to check it out. But have a great day. Thanks for joining me. We will see you soon. Bye-bye.